Brower Mechanical has been installing and maintaining heating and air conditioning systems since 1979. We provide AC and heating services for both residential homes and commercial buildings. We install and service all major brands, handle permits, and offer same-day service when it's available. So the process is simple from start to finish. From helping you choose the right system to professional installation and ongoing maintenance, our team handles everything and gets it done right the first time. We're also a Mitsubishi Diamond Elite Contractor, which means advanced training and access to top-tier equipment. If your system is more than 15 years old and it's struggling to keep up, it may be time to look at replacing it. Today's systems are dramatically more efficient, and there are often local rebates and incentives available, and we'll help guide you through those options. And with 24/7 emergency service, you'll never be left sweating when you need help the most.